Let me dry my forehead sweat.
Check out this fan that my husband ordered on Amazon. It is a desk fan, so he ordered one for himself for his office and one for me because I'd be in the garage dying. This desk fan comes with 3 pieces: the base, the fan itself, and a USB cord. You just basically plug it in and press the button and you're ready to go.
This is the fan he got, black and blue. Now press the button and voila. Bonjour. Y'all, this feels good. I might actually leave it on. Not that the camera will know that it's right. It popped off. I didn't put it on right.
Just make sure when you are connecting the base to the fan that you hear that loud clip. I didn't do that the first time.
There it goes. That feels good. Let me dry my forehead sweat. Because it's hot in this garage. Alright, so I actually like that a lot. I just need it higher up to reach my face. Because I am not... Well, that feels so good, y'all. You don't know how hot I be dying in here. My husband don't know, but I really be dying in here.